Hey guys, this song is called Berenstein by the band Camino. I hope you like it. I hope you've had a great summer. And I just want to say that I'm sending all my love out to you guys tonight from Alabama. You were always searching for deliverance, blatant misconceptions that you'd make. My overall perception of this dream is that I'll die before I